Hello! Let's go start the Minecraft play. We will loading this world of survival. This is a part 1. That's part. It's that introduce when it to start now the survival. I'm lately video this Minecraft. Let's go. We will start. And 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, it's too long. We will start now. Hey, faster, bro. Oh, we are in exit. Oh, I'm a hero of the village. Let's find some resource for the house, and then find it. Oh, I'm a lot of the emeralds to find to trade this. Oh, 50. Oh, I defeat that raid. I have a lot of emeralds. But this villager is lack of villager. I can't trade this. So we need to hunt some food for source. I'm hungry and there are dogs too hungry. Now let's find food. Oh, there are pig. Let's kill. Yeah, he's dead. I'm gonna eat raw pork chop. Let's eat this raw pork chop. So the raids are defeat. Let's go back that raid base or raid tower. Let's go. Other ship. Let's hunt this. I'm hungry. Oh, I'm lag. Wait, guys, I'm lag. Yes, still. Oh, the ship is very fast. Yes, I have a food again. Let's eat raw gluten. Let's go back the raid tower. Oh, this cave is so deep, very deep. I need to find diamonds to create an enchantment table, or that's it. Let's go inside the raid tower. If they are raid, oh, it's no raid here. He is died. Let's go back to the base on village. So the dog, I will teleport this village. I'm sorry, village. I'm gonna leave. It's if you have no village to trade. I need an enchantment book or what's up. This is my house. Let's get the dogs. Then get the resources in this house. I need to get crafting table. I tame this dog for my own. I, and I have one. Oh, I forget the bed. Yeah, I need to get the bed, but I need to feed my dog. I have a lot of I have a lot of resources in my inventory. I need to trash the something if I don't need. I will trash this. Sorry, guys. I'm gonna trash this. And what I do not need. This is for create a road to get fish. But I don't need it leather bots. Let's trash this. Yeah, we need to live fast before it become nights. I have one totem of one dying. The kill I did that kill. So I have cherry sapling that I need to get it. That's so cool. Oh, I have raw gold. I need to create a lava farm. Then I need this obsidian, but I create an enchantment table. And then let's go. I need to get I need to get my resource that I broke it. Let's go. Oh man, sorry bro. Trying to feed this. Bro, you are hungry. You are always hungry, bro. Not hungry, please. Let's go. I'm sorry. We're gonna. It's a lot of zombies in night. Wait, I can. Let's go. And then let's go to the house. Then get the dog and then get the furnace. Oh, I forgot the bed. I don't need this sunflower. That's fine. So this is say bro, I will trash you. I don't need you. Let's go bro. Let's go. Oh, I forget the bed. Nah. Let's get the bed. I need this to survive in nights. But I'm hungry. Let's go bro. Come here. Don't go in the house. Let's go. We need to find the new village for that source. If you don't need this stone, guys, let's go. Let's go find another village for this time. It's taking a lot of time to get to the village. Hmm. Wait, let's wait. Let's go wait for this time. So I'm here. We need to get ready. Oh, you're stuck, bro. Oh, go. Get up, bro. Be ready. I'm gonna create a boat. Yeah, I have a lot of oak. My dog is need to create a boat that we need to get another islands. Yes, I need this. So I can get bro. I'm glitch. Yes, I have one boat, but I have a lot of. Oh man, I have a lot of inventory. I I don't need this. Don't need this wall. I have an already bed. Wait to trash. Oh, but I put the furnace. Nah. Let's go get another that I don't need for this saddle. Oh, I don't need this. But I'm drive a boat or run. This is very deeply. Oh, and but I don't need this. It's another one. Let's go. Let's mine the furnace, but I need. Yeah, let's go. Oh, I'm very hungry. I need some food. Wait, I'm gonna mine these. I have a whole axe to mine. I need some food. Let's find this inventory. Oh man, we know how unavailable food. Let's find food for this source. This dog is very hungry. We need to kill this. I'm very hungry. I need to eat and I fed my dog. Oh, wait, bro, you're hungry? Bro, let's go. Oh, you're hungry again. Let's kill this. Let's kill this chicken with some food. Yes, I have one food. Oh, yes, hearts. Oh, well, a lot. I don't need this. The feather. I don't want to growing or to eat them. I'm very hungry. But I'm hunger. No, nah. Let's go now. Before night, you need to see the sun. It should become the night. Oh, let's go now. Oh, there are seeds. I'm hunger. Let's go to the boat. Hey bro. Oh, I need to get her in the boat. Proceed, proceed, first, and get to the boat. Let's go, bro. We need to get ready to your lives. You're supporting me. 3, 2, 1, go. Let's go to the find another islands. There's a lot of islands here, but there are rivers. Can I go out? Oh, there another village. Oh man, let's go that. I don't want abandoned village, but abandoned village is so not cool. Oh, it's almost night, but let's get fast. We have to find this dog. It's so very can go up. It's not a player. Bro, you can teleport. You have ability to teleport, so I go first. You can teleport. Let's go. Wait, bro, wait me that you have ability to teleport in the top. Wait, bro, I need to break the boat. Oh, my boat. Yeah. Bro, wait that. You can teleport. Oh, it's a lot. Let's break this. Wait, go where? Go up. Yeah, that's cool. Better go in there. And my dogs will teleport. Watch this. Yeah, very good. The dog is teleport. Go need to go fast. It's almost night. It's afternoon. We need to get down. Oh, I see the moon. It's already night. That's it. It's already night. Faster, bruh. We need to get ready. Oh, I'm here at the village. Faster. Oh, it's not bed here, but I need to bed. Bro, wait in the door. I'm gonna sleep. I'm gonna get my bed to sleep in this house. Let's sleep now and get ready to the another. Oh, let's go. Hey doggy, where are you? Yo, let's go. Oh, yo, there are monsters. Oh, there are villagers. Whoa, yo, there are cherry. It's good. It's good. Let's go to and let's go steal their hair resource. I need diamond to create an enchantment table. I need please you have an oh I have a lot of I remember I have a lot of emerald. I can't raid this village. Thanks. Oh yo I can go in the nether like this. It's a lot of obsidian. Oh man. I have no flint still. I can create that. But I have a lot of inventory. We need to trash this that I need that I don't need. We need to before we get stuck we are stuck this if you go there. We need to what I don't need this is where are dirt oh we're gonna trash this bro. Let's go and then what's up? Oh, I forget this. I have lead and what I don't need. I have totem if I fall to protect me and then at least all of us that we do that I have a lot of inventory. Let's go there. Yo, bro, be ready to go in the nether, but I don't please die. I will die. I will teleport the way. Oh man, that's not good. When you get ready, I need to put my bed here. Yes, we need a bed here to 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 restore. This is a respawn point. But let's create and I don't have diamond pickaxe, but I get here. And 3, 2, 1, go. Let's create. Wait to 4. I have a lot of obsidian and these 4 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, we need a lot of we to do this before the obsidian wall. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh man, we have a lot of obsidian. Yes, with a lot of obsidian. We need to obsidian. Let's trade her. If he have obsidian to create and to go in the nether. Yo, bro. Freak. He's Noah, but he have enchanted. Enchanted. Oh, man. I have an enchanted sword. Wow, it's looting. It's a good, but I have 5 emerald. Nah, no. Yo, I have no emeralds, but I need to go in the nether. Oh, bro. We have a lack of obsidian. I don't have diamond pickaxe. Sorry, I can't go in the nether. But I need some diamond pickaxe. Let's get some needs. There are chests. Let's get some. Don't need this for this. I have emerald. Oh man, I trade this. But I don't need this golden armor. But I have golden. And what I don't need this is spider eye. If you eat it, you will become poison. And then what? Put in saddle. Oh, I have saddle, please. And said I don't want to farm. I am so lazy to farm. But I don't need this. Need to choose gold. I don't need this. It's so very broke if I create. And golden armor. What's things to go? A gold. Let's go. Need to get this bread. To food source. Then go live. I need to eat. I have bread already. Yeah, I am not hunger. Oh man, I can mine this. I can go to the desert in a long time. What part is to go in the nether? I'm in overworld. Oh frick! I need to find diamonds. We need to go in the jungle and find the diamonds in their secret. What the hell, doggy? Let's go, bro. Oh, we need to find a desert. There are diamonds to get it. But it's not have desert here. So doggy, let's go to the desert. We need to find the pyramid that where the desert it's nothing desert. It's no desert here, but then let's find it. Oh, that's desert. It's not desert. We need to go. Let's plant here, and then bro, don't leave me. Yo, let's go. We need to find a desert and bro protect me to the nights. But in let's see. Oh, it's shiny. Oh man, yeah. Let's go now. Let's find a desert to get some diamond that I need. And I don't have lava and water. We have water here. I don't have lava. The lava is fire and there another. Oh, I think but there are desert. But let's find it before the night's down. It's no desert here. Let's find. Hmm. Wait to find that. It's so very cool to find a desert. No, get that faster. Oh, this is the Iga. Oh, there, I found the Iga, but then I don't need it. The Iga biome and then birch land. Let's find someone else or desert that we need to find their pyramid. But if you found the desert village, we will find a pyramid in there. Oh man, it's a lot of Taiga biome. We need to go back. That this is not a cool, bro. Yo, it's a river. I don't want that. Just find another biome. I don't want that. I don't want Taiga. That this is so make me chows. Hmm. A lot of island here to find, but we need to get some desert. Oh, hey bro, don't bark. You're hungry, bro. Okay, you're not hungry, but you don't bark. Oh man, we need to find it. It's no have time to find that, but we need to get fast. We need to find that desert. This desert. Oh, that's sugar cane. Oh man, wait, I'm gonna stop. I am. Let's go. Oh man, can't find that, bro. Oh, that is village. I go back that. Let's cross here in this river. Need to find a desert, please. Come here, desert. Show yourself, desert. But this mountains and other islands, that's so very weird. Oh, we have to cross here. This river is very weird, but don't get stuck. Oh man, this is not the way to go in the desert. Where is the way, bro? Nah. Yo, bro, I can't find the desert. It's very hard to find. Desert so it's taking a long time to go. But we need to find the sea. This is not the sea. It's a river or not or something else to find the desert. We need to find the desert and the pyramid. That we need to find the diamond. That's basic to go down in the on the desert secret. And please subscribe and like button before you go in this and be ready to my get some diamonds. We have to go in the jungle and find the secret, and then the desert pyramid. We will find that diamonds and in 2 by 2. But I want diamond, please. I need it to 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 to, to mine the obsidian or something else that I mine. Oh, bro, so fast tonight. We need to get fast. I can find I can't find desert. Ah, oh, there are not just something visual that I read it. It's a lot of villages here. Let's go. Oh, there are dog. Let's stay in that. Oh, I'm sorry, but I don't have it. I have lead. So I have 2 dogs here. So sorry, I have one. I need to one only dog. Bro, just stay here in the boat. I'm gonna rest. Oh, I forgot the bed. Yes, I need to get bed here. Oh man, I'm gonna freak here. Let's sleep now. Oh, we have to wait the night. It's now have time to get it. Oh, well, let's wait. I have for small pursing. I have enchanted and I enchanted slotty. So we will not that guy is in trap. And this is so important totem of undying. If they don't have this in fall, we will die. I don't want to die here in Minecraft. Let's sleep now before. Uh, this night's so very fast. Oh no, let's go. Let's close this door. Oh, I wrote this, but I go again. Nah, oh, I never. Oh man, I need to find the desert. I'm waiting to a long time to find the desert. Let's cross that on Taigab if there are desert in crossroads. But desert you can only find deserts in savannah. Except go on desert and then that it's taking a long time to find the desert. Bro, show yourself. I need you to find desert. I need to cross here, but I don't need to stuck. Or there are rocks that's mossy. Oh man, I need the desert. Or oh guys, I show you this taiga. This taiga is a lot of wolf here to tame. This taiga is a lot of it. Oh, I get this. It's a lot of puzzle. I need to get that before it's time to night again. I don't want that. Nah, bro, I forgot the bed. I have a bed here. Yeah, I have wool. I can create a bed. I almost panic. I'm sorry if I panic and not have bed. Nah, if they have crossroads. Oh man, it's hard to delete. Let's get some iron pickaxe to mine it. Oh man, let's go. Oh, it's hard to see. Yeah. Oh, where's the shovel? I get shovel, but I'll forget that. Let's forget that. We need to something else fun. Nah. After that, I am so tired to mine here. I will get there and mine the puzzle. It's so tough. I get out here puzzle. Oh man, this is a high tide. Let's get down here. I can cross run again. Get out, bro. I need to find a desert. Ah, fine. Nah. Oh, yeah, puzzle here. We need to get. Oh, the ship has the boat has sink. Nah, that is not cool. Let's get down there. Oh man, I will lead my dog for safety. Nah. Oh bro, oh you gonna drown. I need to get here. We are. Oh, oh man, nah. It's so become angry me. Oh man, I have bleed. So let's leash. Get down there. He will go up in there. Oh, he gonna drown. Don't. Yeah. Oh, thanks. You're not drowned. So let's go, bro. You are almost drowned on the water. You are so very good so much, my dog. Let's go. But I know have name tag to you guys. I need to find some diamond. But I need to get jungle to find their secret and then get some diamond. But there are something corrupt in that jungle. But we need to get fast before the time is the night. Oh, it's taking a long time for this. We need to get that destination. It's no more time to go in the desert. We have to find this taigit so not cold, not active. Oh, there are dogs. Oh, there dog, but don't get down there. You will fall. And let's go. Oh, it's a lot of coarse dirt here in Taiga. Yes, and this tree is so very tall. Oh man, I can't find desert and I'm lagging. Oh, there are lava. What is that? I'm not aware if that village. Let's search this. Oh, there are house axolot. Let's get down there. This is dangerous. Oh man, it's cave. What is that I found there? Oh, it's something else. If I jump, let's see. Okay, so let's go, bro. Don't. Oh no, bro. I'm gonna fed. Oh, I don't have food to feather. It's okay. Don't don't die. You are a good dog. Good down here. It's safe here. Yeah, you are good. Oh, this axolot. There are azalea. There are something very dark. Don't go here. I need to desert. No more time to go and get down that. Oh, frick. This is so man. So guys, subscribe and I live in part 2. I'm tired to find that desert. Oh, there's some beaks. Oh, it's a lot. I have a shield. Yeah. Ay. Oh, I accidentally hurt my dog. Wait, bro. That'd be for a very good dog. Thanks. Oh, there's more zombie. Yeah, he died. Let's get Let's get her rotten flesh and then fed the dog. I accidentally kill her that killed my dog. Yes, we need to fed. Oh, I'm now go. Oh, it's dark here. Let's don't do this. But I need food or something. But I have food in Togo. So guys, please subscribe to my channel to get down here before it's time. It's a lot of time to video this, to find this desert. Yes, now. So subscribe now, guys. Wait, and I'm tired to find this. Next to the part 2, watch the part 2, and then you gonna call this. And bye.